The laundry is a very functional room, but that doesn't mean it should be overlooked when it comes to home style and cutting-edge design. Our collections include practical, resilient, affordable and stylish doors, some with a high moisture-resistant skin, which is ideal for damp laundry areas. Designs range from the traditional square routed look to a more minimalist finish and can be half or 1/3 glazed in various glass options to balance light and privacy. We also offer an elegant range of glazed doors with clear, translucent or Insulsafe decorative glass for an extra touch of style. In particularly wet or high moisture areas, the Bona Vista hinge door is a stunning choice for a contemporary look that's up to the challenge. The aluminium frames are resilient, moisture-proof and easy to clean, with a choice of finish options. A popular choice for a laundry door solution is the Harmony door, with an integrated Venetian blind between two panels of clear, safe glass, giving you complete control over the light and privacy in your laundry, and the clear double glazing means the blinds never need cleaning. For an innovative option, keeping your pets in mind, our Guardian 2-in-1 door offers safety, style and practicality. Open the glass panel for increased airflow into the laundry, while the pet door offers access to the home for your furry friend. Whatever your style and budget, we've got laundry doors for every home. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to discover laundry doors and book your free measure and quote.